Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Sacred Cycles Coven. I have decided to put this community on the platform Mighty Networks, and I will be showing you around and what is available to you within this community. So you will get a link that will send you to this page here, and you're going to click on Request to Join. When you get this request, it's going to ask you to put in your name, and then here to upload a profile picture, which is really helpful to then build deeper connections with others in the community. It's much more helpful when you can see their face, so feel free to upload a photo there. You're going to click Next. It'll ask you for your email. Go ahead and add your email there and click the Mighty Networks Terms and Policy. Then there are two questions that I have asked you to join the community. This one is optional, just informing me of why you want to join the community. And the second one is just asking you if you'll read and follow the guidelines to create this community as sacred and loving. And so you can just answer a simple answer there and let me know. Then you submit your request right there, and then it will be granted by me. So once we have already created your profile, you will sign in to the network. And once you are signed in, you will see the home page coming up here. And here we are in the home page. And this is quite similar to Facebook in a lot of ways, and really dynamic and different in other ways. So something that is similar to Facebook is that there is a main news feed in the very beginning. So in all of the courses or in the main network here, you can post questions or make comments, anything you want to post, then it will be shown here on the main news feed. And as you can see, I've already asked two questions to begin with. What is your favorite thing about your cycle? And what do you struggle with the most in your cycle? So that can be one of the first things you do when you arrive in the network. You can go ahead and answer both or one of those questions. And at any time, if you want to post your own post, you just click at the top. You can add a photo, you can make a video, you can embed a link, you can add a file, or you can create a poll. You can create polls with questions, multiple choice, hot and cold, and percentages. And I will speak more about that later. The second thing you can do is introduce yourself. So if you want to make a new post, and let me take this off, we don't want the poll anymore, we'll just make a new post. You just make a post introducing yourself, you sharing your pronouns, sharing where you're from, sharing what you do, anything you'd like to do as an introduction to yourself. When you introduce yourself, you're going to add a topic here, and I've already created this topic, please introduce yourself. So if it's an introduction, go ahead and click that please introduce yourself, and then you can go ahead and post to the wall. And there it is. And then everybody will be able to comment. You can cheer it if you like that post, whatever it is, and you can reply there. So the second thing you can do is go ahead and introduce yourself to everybody that will be joining the community. Now here on the side, you can see once all of the members are added, you will see that you can shift to the section that says near you, which will show you all of the people that are closest to you in geographical region, which is a nice touch to have there. And you'll be able to see all the members. Then you can come down here to the topics, and all of the posts you tagged as please introduce yourself will be under this topic. As you can see, there is my post that I had tagged earlier. And then I have added a few more topics, and you are welcome to request more topics to be added. At times I will be giving tarot and oracle readings. There will be a space for storytelling and myth-telling stories that we have, and a space for adding any spells or ritual work that you do that you want to share with the community, and let me know if any more topics you want to be added to that. In the future, this will be where events will be held. This is where you'll learn about the live ceremonies and calls that there might be, and any other events that will happen within the community. Then there is an interest section. If you, when you're making your own profile, you can add interests to this. So let me go up here and show you. We can in our settings, we can go ahead and edit our profile. There you can upload a new picture if you would like. You can upload a background picture, your first and name. You can write a little bit about yourself, put your location. You can then here add your interests. And here are a few suggestions that you might be interested in. Menstrual cycle awareness. If you have Facebook, LinkedIn, or a website, you can add your personal links there so that others can go ahead and find those links if they're interested. And then you can also introduce yourself here. So once you do that, then there will be interests will have been added. If we refresh this page, we will now see that the menstrual cycle awareness has been added, and you can see how many other members are interested in that. Then to access our Cyclical Awakening course, you'll click here on courses, and here it will be available. Before I do that, I will also show you that there is a chat function here. At the very bottom, you can see everybody that is currently online, and it will show all of the members that are currently online. And if you want to chat with all of those members at a time, you can click here in the Sacred Cycles Coven chat, and you can add a message here to anybody that is there, and if you want to chat quickly with one another. Now going back to the course, here is the Cyclical Awakening course, and you will be able to access that freely as part of the Sacred Cycles Coven. So when you access the course, it will take you to a new home page that will be the course homepage, and you'll see the difference because the color changes to plum. So then you know that you are within the course. So on the top, you will see an overview of all of the sections in the course. Here they are, all of the sections, and you'll be able to start with the welcome section. When you open the sections of the course, you can either leave it along the side, or you can expand it to be full width. And then you will see the overview of all of the sections there. You can minimize and close it whenever you would like. At the bottom of the course, you will see that there are these two questions, prompts that have been added to begin the course. And at any time, if you have questions regarding the course, you can click them, share them here in the main network newsfeed. When you're adding, when you start to begin to learn about tracking and journaling your cycle, you can add it here. You can say, I'm day 19, which I am today, and crossing over into my inner autumn. Now, when you are posting here on the main network, there'll also be an option to add a topic, and I have added 4 topics here for each of the different phases of the cycle and seasons. So since this is about crossing over to inner autumn, I will add that as the topic there. And then you can post it. You can post things that you're feeling any specific day of your cycle, just to be witnessed. You can ask advice on things regarding your cycle. If you have any questions or thoughts about the course, feel free to add them here as well. Then you'll also be able to come on the side and click on topics, and you will see the 4 different topics, the different sections here that people will have posted. And here in the inner autumn, you will see what I posted for my inner autumn. And as well as the main network, there is also a chat ability within the course. So for all the people that are involved in the Cyclical Awakening course, you can click here on the chat and you can go ahead and say hello to all of them here in the chat and just ask anything you would like there that you would like, a quicker response to. And especially if you see me online here and I'm available, feel free to go ahead and chat and I will be able to respond quicker to that. And so that's the basic overview of the course here. And so when we are within the course, they are not live yet, but when they are live, there will be a set of journal prompts that will be at the end of each section. If you want to share the journal prompts, that answers to the journal prompts that you have gone through, you can go ahead and share them directly within the course under that section. Whatever your thought is there. And you can also, again, add a photo, the video, embedded link, or attach a file. So once you no longer want to be in the course and you want to go back to the coven, you click the link here and it will take you back to the network, and you'll see that it has changed back to red, which is when you know you're in the main network coven. So there will be many members in the coven, and then there will be select members in different courses that will be offered throughout different times in the year. And so you can navigate back and forth between wanting to share with everybody in the coven or wanting to share specifically with people in the course. So if you have questions, comments specifically that are course related, put them in the courses feed, and if it's specific to the wider group of everybody. And if you come across articles or blog posts or videos or anything online that you would like to share with everybody, go ahead and attach it here, embed a link, whatever you would like to invite everybody to engage with that. So that is the basic overview. So the first things are to introduce yourself to the main network, answer the questions if you would like to, and then go ahead and look at the course, the free course, Cyclical Awakening, and the first section. Go ahead and read through the welcoming, and you are ready to go. So I am excited to see you all in there, and look out for the link to request to join. And I will see you there.